people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up.
In Wyoming, we have 201 car seat technicians that have been trained, a week-long training, to understand all the basics of not only the car seat, but of the vehicle that the car seat is going into. It is very important that we have these technicians available here in our state. We have about 20 out of our 23 counties that are covered by these technicians. If you're wondering in your county if there's a technician available to check your car seat, the easiest way to find out is by calling the 800 number of Safe Kids Wyoming. It's 1-800-994-GROW. And just give a call. You'll hit the 0 button and you'll be put into Safe Kids Wyoming, and I can sure tell you if there's somebody in your county that can check your car seat for you.
Bye-bye, folks. Bye-bye, folks. The driver on the bus says bye-bye, folks. All through the town.